What is that, Pepe? What is that? He's looking at you.
Sit, you stay. Now,
He's saying hi, Pepe.
To get on TV, just go to Animal
He's saying hi, Pepe.
And click on the casting couch to see how.
6 months ago, this family in Wales was held hostage by two furious
Look, he's
footballs.
peeking at you.
Teddy Pom Pom, the ringleader, was the
He's peeking at
undisputed head
you.
of the household.
This is Teddy Pom Pom's house, and you are very privileged to live here.
He's peeking at you,
Now
Pumpkin.
Victoria returns to see if Teddy is still
You're gonna let him
character,
tease you like
and whether
that?
Mandy has gone back to her spoiling
Huh?
ways.
Are you gonna let him tease you like that?
Welcome to Wales, with its rolling
Yeah.
hills and tranquil valleys. And
Go over there and tell him hi.
dogs, Prince Louis,
Say
and
hello.
Pom Pom. But here,
Say hi, Theodore.
not beautiful. Teddy Pom Pom, a Pomeranian, may be a little fella, but he has a monster attitude problem. Since he arrived in the household a year ago, Teddy Pom Pom has been a bad influence on his once placid sidekick, Prince Louis, the Pekingese.
What? What?